Very good evening, friends. This side Rahul Bhagan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As we speak on 9th August 2021, Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. More importantly, we have offices in three parts of the globe and we own our own products like our hedge fund, our prop desk, our equities desk, our commodities desk, but majority of the platform are prop. Apart from that, we have our OTT platform, TNFX Academy, our learnings platforms like Sheetal Academy. So at the end of the video, we attached a separate video. In this, we covering all aspects of treasury consulting. If you wish to have more information, you can refer that video. In the today's video, I have divided today's video in the two parts. Part number one, I would be talking about the latest article published in LiveMint, which is the India debt to GDP ratio. And in the part second, we would be covering about India Net International Investment Position, which is shortly known as NIIP. So there are two parts. After part one, you will see an image, which means a break. After a break of 5 to 6 seconds, part two will start. This is how it works. So first, let me read this for you, which is that India has for the first time revealed that it expects India debt to GDP ratio to go up in fiscal year 22 to a 16-year high of 61.7% from 60.5% a year ago, which means there is an increment of around 1.2% in the India debt to GDP ratio. Now, this statistics is given by Reserve Bank of India Handbook of Statistics on the Indian economy. I repeat, according to the Reserve Bank of India Handbook of Statistics on Indian economy, the center debt was only higher than fiscal year 22 projections, and it was highest in fiscal year 06, 63.9%. We all know that in the last several years, the government borrowed extensively in the domestic markets. Several occasions came when there was rift between Reserve Bank of India and primary dealers. Now, who are primary dealers? Primary dealers are the people, those who actually sell this to the market. So people believe that RBI sells. No, RBI never sells. RBI get an instruction from the government that they need this much money. RBI then decide which part of the curve to hit, whether to hit 1-year curve, 5-year curve, or 40-year curve. As we speak, the benchmark curve of India is about 40 years, which means that 40-year outstanding security is right there. And it is right or wrong, because theoretically speaking, longer tenor curve is good for the country, but practically speaking, the conditions we are in, longer tenor curve is not good for the country. As I speak on 9th August 2021, you all know the mess right across the globe, especially United States, Indonesia, Australia, what is happening in the Greece, and it's right, everything is in the Google. In fact, today, 9th August, there is a complete report. I read the half and rest half I would be reading in a day or so. In this complete report, United Nations basically warned major countries, in fact the whole humanity, about the probable climate change which is on the cards. But we are not bothered about that, to be very honest. Now, as we speak, there are thousands of job losses which happened in the economy. The data is already provided by Center for Monitoring and Indian Economy. You visit the website, visit the Google, Just type Center for Monitoring and Indian Economy, you get the numbers. So I need not to repeat the numbers. Thousands of startups got closed. Unfortunately, we do not have an accurate data today how many startups actually closed. But since the focus of the market is always on the loss making startups, Paytm, Ola, Uber, Zomato, Swiggy, Lenskart, Myntra, Flipkart, and all these. So, apart from top 10, 12 top startups, what the hell other startups are doing, people, I would say we are really not bothered. And why we are not bothered? Because there is no data. To be very honest, until otherwise you have the data, you don't have the data, how can you comment? Example, as we speak, Titan jewelry sale is declined by 50%. Titan jewelry sale is declined by 50%. How would I know that that happened? Because I saw the data. I have the data. Now, can I comment on any other company? No, I cannot comment because I don't have the data. Similarly, the thousands of startups who closed, there is no accurate data which we have. Since we do not have any accurate data, we cannot comment. And now the big issue is that the debt to GDP ratio is growing. Please note that debt to GDP ratio always having one another factor which is always ignored worldwide, by the way, which is the implied liabilities. Example, today, without quoting the name, any government company in India raising the money, any government company, why you invest in LIC? You invest in LIC because it is backed up by Government of India. Why you choose State Bank of India over any public sector bank? Because there is a mindset that State Bank of India is by Government of India. Why you invest in say post office deposits, even though many private banks in India are offering 7%? Because post office are controlled by the Government of India. Now, this whole in our term is known as sovereign guarantee, which means that if that eventuality come, God forbid, and that institution crashed, then the government comes and bail the people. Practic- Practical reality, we know that how many incidents happen and how many bailout happens. That is also a fact. As we speak, thousands of job losses. Apart from that, thousands of startup closure. A huge borrowing is happening in the country, and now, as per RBI Handbook of Statistics on Indian Economy, the debt to GDP ratio is around 61.7%. If these things would continue to grow the way it is, looks, probably sooner or later we would be hitting the inflection point. I'm sure that you're not aware about the inflection point. Inflection point is a point from where moving ahead is impossible. Example, you know, in a T20 match, you know, if any team is scoring 15 hour runs or 15 to 20 runs per hour, any team scoring 15 to 20 runs per hour, then this is considered as an inflection point, which means 20 runs is sufficient every hour. Even the best batsmen of the world, they can't continue to hit 20 runs for more than 2 to 3 hours. So this is called inflection point. We all know that Bank of Japan already holding the largest debt in the world, and we know that what is happening with the Japanese economy. This is part one of the video. We really need to be very careful because we need to understand that COVID is going nowhere. As we speak, US recorded around 6 year high cases, 6 months high cases. The medical advisor to the president, Dr. Fauci, also warned of upcoming new variant. And all these information is on the Google. That's a separate thing that selected media is again and again pushing that Federal Reserve is going to be doing the tapering. How? No one knows. This is part one. In the part two, we would be covering about the net international investment position of India. Have a great time. Welcome members. Welcome to part 2 of the video. Every time you have seen that the business channels and especially selected business anchors always speak that the FX reserves rose to this level, this level, this level, this level, and this impacts the market. Also this impacts the market, but this is half side of the story. This is not the complete side of the story. Before I go ahead into the detailing of net international investment position, let me ask a very simplistic question from you. If your salary is 100 rupees in a month, does that mean that you also save 100 rupees in a month? No. Even Einstein, Edison, and Newton disagree with the fact that you save 100 in a month. If your salary is 100 rupees, you hardly save, keeping the current practical inflation, not the inflation reported by the RBI, inflation which is on the ground. You save around 20 to 30 rupees maximum, and that I'm saying if you are having moderate lifestyle. If you are having lavish lifestyle, then you are actually borrower using the credit card. Similarly, all countries of the globe, they have FX reserves. Now there are various sources of FX reserve. Sometimes the central bank buy the US dollar. Sometimes the countries, example, if today any company of India, name it any XYZ, they take external commercial borrowings from Goldman, JP, any bank of US. Do you know, guys, this adds up as a liability to the country because the country is liable to pay that money. Example, any employee who works in Canada, US, Singapore, any part, and he is sending some remittance to in India, Western Union or maybe XYZ. Do you know it is an asset of India? India not earned this money, but this dollar actually landed in India. IT companies, every year they do around 60, 70 billion dollars of billing. It's an asset to India. So there are two things. One is FX assets and one is FX liabilities. I repeat, FX assets and FX liabilities. Just like your salary. Salary 100 rupees, expenses 70, income net saving 30. There is a information provided by Reserve Bank of India on their website. This information dated 30th June 2021. Actually, it is always quarter ended, but the numbers is March 2021. So this is one quarter before that actual date. So I repeat, the title is India Net International Investment Position. It is also known as NIIP. It is dated 30th June, but the number is March 2021. Although it is on the RBI website, but if you need a copy, you can WhatsApp me. At the end of the video, you find my number. So if you go to page number, which part? Page number 3. Yes, page number 3. You will get to know that in March 20, say I take December. In December 20, the total FX assets are 341 billion. Sorry, 851 billion. So the total FX assets is 851 billion. If you look at FX liabilities, then they are around 1193 billion, which means the total assets is 851 billion. Total liabilities is more than 1 trillion, which is 1.193 trillion. So net deficit, which means 341 billion of deficit. Compared to March 2021, because June figures are not available as yet, the net asset increased from 851 to 858, which is by around 7 billion, while the liabilities grew by around the same figure, around 15 billion. But the net international investment position is 352 billion minus. So try and understand. Media always show FX reserves, but the right figure is net international investment position, which is nothing but the difference between FX asset to FX liabilities. There is a ratio also, which is very important ratio. Now this ratio is called asset to liability ratio. Asset to liability ratio. In December 2020, the liability ratio was, asset to liability ratio was 71.4 billion. 71.4 billion. And 71.4%, 71.4%, and in March it decreases to 70.9%, precisely 71%, which means 0.5% decrease. Now there is another important thing which you should know, very important, which means that the ratio of external financial asset and liabilities to GDP, ratio of external financial asset and liabilities to GDP. Now let me compute for you. As we speak, you know, the net IIP, which is asset minus liabilities, is equals to 13% of the GDP. And I'm not saying this, it is RBI who is saying this. So 13% of the GDP. India claims that they have a GDP of around $3 trillion. Some newspaper claim $3.5 trillion. Which figure is correct? I don't know. But as we speak, on page number 3 of the RBI circular, the net international investment position is around 13.1 in March. 13.1% of the GDP. I am 200% sure this will never discussed in media. Because whenever a speaker will come, he is always asked, you are supposed to concentrate only on the assets. Because as per Hindi media, one logic is very clear and straightforward. If you earns 100 rupees, you save 100 rupees. As simple as that. If you think you earn 100 rupees, you save 100 rupees, then please have a comment. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting Group. Have a great time ahead. This is the video which is dedicated to the Treasury Consulting Group. And to be very honest, we are keeping this video now onwards at the end of every YouTube video. And all the courses by Sheetal Academy and Treasury Consulting Group. There are many questions people generally raised about Treasury Consulting, the products, the services, and we reply these questions on WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and variety of forums. But the quantity of questions, the queries are continuously increasing. Henceforth, we decided to make a video. Of course, this is not the only video which we are making. Rather, over the period of the time, we would continue to upgrade this video, to be precise. First of all, Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group. We are based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. As we speak, company is around 5 years plus old. And more importantly, we are 100% cash rich company. Unlike the so-called unicorns, without quoting the name, and even if I quote the name, it's a fact that they never touch the profit. The company is in profits from inception. So since inception, the company is in profit. So we are a 100% cash rich group, 0% venture capitalist, and 0% debt. More importantly, our legal entities invest our free cash with mutual funds and international banks across the globe. We are a client to almost top 10 mutual funds in India, and that is the reason we do have holistic information about the mutual fund industry in India. That's a separate thing, that majority of the information never comes in public domain. Even if a fraction of the information comes in public domain, this fraction of information come for one day, and then how it happens. So as we speak, we do have 3 legal entities: India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. More importantly, we are a cash rich group, and we are having 0%, which means not a single cent invested by any venture capitalist or private equity firm. The company has not taken debt from any bank, financial institution, or hedge fund. So we are a zero debt company. That is something which we need to understand very holistically. The following are the products and services we do have about treasury consulting. The more detail is coming at the with the as the video progress. We have our own proprietary hedge fund. Many people in the world do not understand the meaning of proprietary. The proprietary means no party outside treasury consulting can invest in our hedge fund, which means that we trade with our own money. We are not accepting anybody's money. Even if you give us any amount of money, any proposal on the table, it is completely rejectable. So proprietary is a word which is often used in United States and Europe, but unfortunately this is least used in India. The proprietary means people trade their own money. They do not trade somebody's money. Even if tomorrow, after listening this video, you come to us and say that I give you $1 million to trade my money, I will say thank you very much. We are literally not interested. We hold our own proprietary fund, and that fund would continue to be proprietary, which means that the outside participation would continue to be zero forever. This fund includes the equities desk, the commodities desk. We have our virtual comics platform. More importantly, we have our OTT Academy. OTT stands at over the top, just like we are having Amazon Prime, we are having Netflix, Disney. There are so many, OTT platform we have worldwide. Our OTT platforms is not as big because they started 6 months ago, but thankfully we are having handful of customers and they are growing. In our OTT platform, we are creating video and uploading at the back end of our platform. People with authorized login ID and password can see these videos. Apart from that, no one else is authorized to see these videos. As the video progresses, you will get to know that as we are having around 13 plus, which is 13 plus different series as far as the OTT platform is concerned. As we speak, August 2021, it is 13 plus and we are continuously adding more series. Our idea is very clear. We will reach to 35 or probably 40 series in another 1.5 years of time. We are having our learning arm, which is Sheetal Academy. The details of the Sheetal Academy is given at the end of the video. We have our own family office desk. Rather, very soon, our hedge fund would be a part of our family office. We have our own pension fund desk in terms of consulting. And there are 62 plus different platforms which are listed on our fixed income platform, which is www.fixedincome.global. So as we speak, we have our proprietary hedge fund, we have our equities desk, we have our commodities desk, we have our virtual comics platform, our OTT Academy, our penny stock desk, Sheetal Academy, family office, pension fund, and variety of such platforms. TRFX Academy, which is our OTT platform, over the top platform. This platform is having 13 plus series. Now, few I mentioned, basic series, moderate series, advanced series, valuation series, treasury series, wealth management platform. Wealth management platform is actually integrated with TRFX Academy and would continue to be integrated because of course we would be investing heavily in the wealth management platform. When we speak about wealth management platform, we speak about the learnings. We are not talking about the trading. There is a difference. It's a trading platform. Remember this. We have 13 plus different series, like few are basic series, moderate series, valuation series, advanced series, treasury series, research and analysis series, and we have variety of such series. So please do remember that. As we speak, we have around 180 plus videos live. Every week we shot 10 videos. So every month we are adding around 40 to 50 videos, and we keep adding more and more videos as the time would come. The target is very clear that we would be having more than 2000 plus videos probably in another 2 years of time, which means a dedicated private platform for learnings. So, what is the wealth management platform? A wealth management platform is designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. The asset classes includes the fixed income, currencies, commodities, credit derivatives, structured derivatives, and many more. So I repeat, a wealth management platform is designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. Wealth management platform is also designed to cover continent-wise topic. Continents are United States, Europe, AXI, Asia excluding India. We have excluded India because the financial markets in India are very, very shallow. Very shallow. Like if you speak MTN, medium term notes, if you speak about any exotic derivatives, nowhere people are taking this. In fact, you know that I worked as a corporate treasurer. Even today, 99% of the treasury function in India are working as a cost center. Hardly 1% are working as a profit center. Hardly 1%, to be honest. So the continent wise include United States, Asia excluding India, Asia excluding Japan, India and Japan, global financial centers like Singapore, Dubai, Hong Kong, Luxembourg, Switzerland, and respective, and of course Latin America. We are creating a wealth management platform which would be covering everything. Example, CDS, credit derivatives. India is not a market of credit derivatives. Reserve Bank of India on paper allowing credit derivatives, but neither we have buyer nor we have sellers of credit derivative. So on paper you have credit derivative, but practically you don't have the credit derivative in place. Henceforth, we really need to understand that if we wanted to talk about credit derivative, the only markets are US, Europe, or Singapore. India was not a market, is not a market, and would continue to be, because we are doing nothing substantial to create a credit derivative market in India. That's the reason, even after a lot of frauds which are happening, banks are just writing off the money from their books, simply writing off the money from their books. Had it been the credit derivative, banks would be able to get their money back. But once again, if you talk about this issue, people don't understand because they are not interested to have this. Anyways, a wealth management platform designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. And very soon, this wealth management platform would link with our fixed income platform, which is www.fixedincome.global. And of course, we would be adding crypto as well. That is most important. We are planning around 1000 plus wealth management videos by December 2022, which would be covering continents like United States, Europe, Japanese market, Asian markets, global financial centers, Latin America, the tax havens like Bermuda, BVI, Caribbean and respective, and structured finance, my favorite. 1000 plus videos would be covering almost everything as far as the wealth management is concerned. We would be covering a very simplistic and the plain vanilla topic. At the same time, we would be covering the exotic topic also. So basically, our wealth management platform is for the people, those who are having zero knowledge, and it is also for the people, those who are having advanced knowledge. Please understand that. It is not designed for the people, those who only have basic knowledge, or the people who wanted to have exotic knowledge. People with the basic, moderate, or advanced, they all can participate. This is our TRFX Academy, a screenshot taken from our fixed income platform. This TRFX Academy is our OTT platform, which is over the top platform. And in this TRFX Academy, we are of course interlinking the wealth management platform also. I promise you, probably in another 1 to 2 years of time, we would be adding a lot of content in our wealth management platform and of course our TRFX Academy. Only people with the login ID and the password can enter into this platform. And of course, on a weekly basis, we are trying to have at least, we are trying to have at least uh, around 10 plus videos so that we would be able to reach to the target as far as the December 2022 is concerned. And we are committed to it, sir, to be honest. Treasury Consulting Group having own learnings platform, which is known as Sheetal Academy. As we speak, Sheetal Academy is covering around 13 plus schools. Few are mentioned here. The World of Options, Option Worlds, School of Nifty and Bank Nifty, School of Investment Banking, School of Venture Capitalist and Private Equity, School of Commodities, School of Accounting, School of Foreign Exchange, School of Treasury and Risk Management, School of Forensics, and more schools are coming. Before I change the slide, the purpose of Sheetal Academy is to create a learning platform which link with Thomson Reuters and Bloomberg. We know that we have many learning academies worldwide, and I challenge all learning academy how many of them are actually linked with Reuters and Bloomberg. I often share Reuters and Bloomberg screenshots on YouTube, on LinkedIn, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter. Hardly I see, in fact, limited people in the world are sharing the Reuters and the Bloomberg platform screenshots, because the question is it requires a very deep and dense knowledge. Once you are sharing the screenshots, people generally ask questions from you, and you should have a knowledge to reply. That is more important thing. Very soon we have more schools coming. So as we speak, we are having Option World, Nifty, Bank Nifty, School of Investment Banking, School of Venture Capitalist and Private Equity, School of Commodities, School of Accounting, School of Foreign Exchange, School of Treasury and Risk Management, School of Forensics. The other schools are School of Trade Finance, School of Regulatory, School of Treasury Technologies, Functional Training. We have functional trainings, forensic trainings, information technology trainings, regulatory trainings, and technological trainings. As we speak, around 200 plus trainings are listed. More trainings are coming over the period of the time. All these trainings and everything are integrated with our fixed income platform. You visit our fixed income platform and you would be able to get all trainings and all information here. Apart from that, we provided you the WhatsApp number. You just WhatsApp if you have any query, and in most of the cases we reply if we feel that the query is genuine. So the Sheetal Academy is a platform whose job is to provide practical and industry oriented knowledge. Of course, we link with Thomson Reuters, Bloomberg TV, and many international magazines, international books, and so on and so forth to provide you as practical training. You visit our YouTube channel. In fact, the video you just listened, you can compare this video with any other YouTube channel and rest you know. Apart from that, we just launched our TCG Video World. What is that? We have people, those who working day night in their respective jobs. Some are engineers, some are finance people and all. They don't have time to attend the regular one-to-one trainings. I agree that they need video trainings, like the content shot in the video delivered to them, and as and when they get time, they listen to it. We launched our TCG Video World, Treasury Consulting Group Video World. In this video world, we have decided to have 100 plus topics, 5 already done as we speak. As we speak, 5 video trainings are live, pay and get. The only time need is the time to upload on Telegram groups. Every training at least 1 hour or 2 hours. It is a video training, so it is not a one-to-one training. Videos are recorded, you get the videos, recorded videos. Videos to be upload in the Telegram groups, because Telegram gives you the privilege to upload 2 GB of video. Whenever we feel that the video length is big, we request people to share their Gmail IDs. They can create their fresh Gmail ID and we upload the video in their Gmail ID. Which so that because Telegram as we speak is giving a privilege of only 10 GB, 2 GB. This TCG video worlds covering advanced trainings, moderate trainings, and basic trainings. So basic trainings, advanced trainings, moderate trainings. Please note my next word carefully. All basic trainings would be 2000, which means you choose any topic of basic, you get at 2000. Moderate and advanced training pricing depend upon content to content. So I repeat, TCG Video World is a platform when you have 100 plus topic, 5 already live, 2 hours video training. It's a video training to be uploaded in the Telegram group. If we need more space, we request for Gmail ID. Advanced trainings, moderate trainings, and basic trainings. Please do remember this. And this is live. This platform is well integrated with our fixed income platform, www.fixedincome.global. So this is well integrated with our fixed income platform. This is a glimpse of our hedge fund desk. Like I made myself very clear upfrontly that no third party in the whole world can enter in this platform, which means that we do not trade somebody's money. We only trade our own money. So no third party can enter in our platform. This is only for ours. But this platform covers equity desk. This platform covers scalping group. This platform covers commodities desk, comics platform, penny stock desk, silver scalping fund which we just started, and more importantly the Asian desk where we're covering Singapore and all, and the digital gold. More product we would be launching in this hedge fund, but I will again repeat, no third party except Treasury Consulting can enter in this fund. This is not for outsiders. This is our prop hedge fund, which is completely designed for the organization, by the organization. No third party is allowed. And we are very limited companies in the world, those who are running the profitable hedge fund. Our income and everything is really good, but we do not trade somebody's money. These are our credentials. You know my handheld number 9899242978. These are our WhatsApp numbers, our platform www.fixedincome.global, email ID rahul.magan@treasuryconsulting.in or info@treasuryconsulting.in. I assure you, probably in another 1 year of time, we would have more than 100 plus different platforms across the globe. Company would continue to be cash rich. We never allow any venture capitalist to enter in our company because we know the side effects of that, and we continue to add lots of products and services. In case you wish to have any information, these are all the credentials. Thank you guys and have a great time ahead.